Hook 1. Imagine a fire that burns for 4.6 billion years, without oxygen, without fuel like wood or coal, and in the empty vacuum of space. Sounds impossible, right? Yet that's exactly what our sun is doing right now. Hook 2. If fire on Earth needs oxygen to burn, then how is the sun shining in space where there is no oxygen at all? Hook 3. And here's the most shocking part. The sun is releasing more energy every second than all humans have used in history combined. Let's uncover the science behind this cosmic mystery. First, we need to understand something important. The sun is not actually burning like fire. Fire on Earth is a chemical reaction called combustion. Combustion happens when oxygen reacts with fuel like wood, coal, or gas. Example: wood plus oxygen, heat plus light without oxygen. Normal fire stops. But the sun works in a completely different way. Inside the sun's core happens a process called nuclear fusion. In nuclear fusion, tiny particles called hydrogen atoms are squeezed together under extremely high pressure and temperature. When they collide, they combine to form helium and release an enormous amount of energy. This reaction is hydrogen plus hydrogen, helium plus energy. Now here is the real data. Temperature in the sun's core is about 15 million degrees, 27 million degrees. The pressure is more than 250 billion times Earth's atmospheric pressure. Every second, the sun converts about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. Of this mass, about 4 million tons become pure energy using Einstein's famous equation E von mc2. That energy is what produces the sunlight and heat reaching Earth. Another amazing fact: the sun releases about 3.8 x 1026 watts of energy every second. That's enough energy to power billions of Earths, yet only a tiny fraction reaches our planet. It takes sunlight about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel 150 million kilometers from the sun to Earth. And here's something even more mind-blowing. The sun has enough hydrogen fuel to keep shining for about 5 billion more years. After that, it will expand into a red giant before eventually becoming a white dwarf. So the sun doesn't need oxygen because it isn't burning like fire. It shines because of nuclear fusion, one of the most powerful processes in the universe. Without this reaction, life on Earth would not exist. Ending hook. Next time you feel sunlight on your skin, remember, you're feeling energy created 15 million degrees deep inside a giant nuclear reactor in space. And that reactor has been running for billions of years.